What's up, everyone? We are gonna make Philly cheesesteak sandwiches. All you have to have is bell peppers. If you want it spicy, you can have jalapenos. You need garlic and onion. My wife likes white mushrooms. She's crazy. Sugar. Seasonal. Garlic powder, mozzarella cheese, provolone. That's it. And then you cut it up. Make sure you cook your peppers, onions, and everything slowly. No reason to rush it. I use the same seasoning as I use on the meat. Really, it's all the same. I'm no expert, but hey, this comes out perfect every time. As soon as these are done, you combine them with your steak. Same spices I put on the meat, nothing different. Same thing goes for your steak. Just cook it slowly, don't rush it. Use all the same seasonings that you put on your peppers and onions, and when it's all done, you can put it together with them. But I hate the smell of cooking provolone. Tastes great. As it cooks, it's just weird. For the bread, you just need garlic powder, ketchup, and mayo mixed together. Then you grill the bread with this on it, and it comes out perfect.
Really all there is to it.